At Wednesday's Made by Google event, the company launched its Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro phones along with the Pixel Watch 2. To no one's surprise, the world already knew a lot of the details thanks to information that dribbled out in the weeks leading up. Google has officially announced the Pixel 8 Pro, and it comes with quite a few upgrades. That includes a Tensor G3 chipset, along with an updated rear camera array with a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. It will even have a new zoom enhance feature that can retroactively add detail to an image when you pinch to zoom in. The new Pixel 8 is getting a performance boost thanks to the addition of Google's G3 Tensor processor. With a 6.2-inch OLED display, the phone is slightly smaller than its predecessor. Although this display isn't LTPO like the Pixel 8 Pro, it still offers an upgraded 120Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Additionally, the Pixel 8 will feature a two-camera setup with an upgraded 50MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera. Both the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will also get access to the new AI-powered editing features within Google Photos, including Magic Editor and Best Take. Despite the smaller display, the Pixel 8 is also getting a $100 price hike like the Pixel 8 Pro, bringing its starting price to $699 or $799 if you purchase it from Verizon. The Pixel 8 will come in rose, black, or hazel, with pre-orders starting today and shipping expected to start on October 12th.